Welcome, service members, to the Esports Pod from Small Footprint Simulator, your ultimate escape during recreational hours. Designed with military life in mind, this compact all-in-one simulator lets you unwind in a small space right on base. After a long day of duty, settle into the ergonomic Razer gaming chair, grab the precision joystick, and feel the responsive pedals transport you away. Whether piloting epic space battles in a flight sim or cruising high-speed tracks in a thrilling race, the Esports Pod delivers immersive, stress-relieving action that melts away the day's demands. Proudly built in the USA, it's plug-and-play with USB connectivity for your favorite PC games. No bulky setup, just unfold, connect, and dive in. The vibrant monitor shows crystal-clear graphics with customizable controls for that perfect edge in fun, competitive play. Ideal for barracks, rec centers, or LAN party sessions with fellow members, its supportive design reduces fatigue for hours of strain-free gaming. Leave the mission behind and level up your leisure. Ready to relax? Visit smallfootprintsimulator.com today and grab your esports pod. You've earned it.